What's up, my YouTube friends? How are you today? I got something cool to show you, something that we don't usually show you guys at all because we haven't done that many of them. And this is a cool box van right here. Giant box on a van. Who doesn't love a giant box on a van in order to live in? So this is something pretty cool. We didn't do a whole bunch of this, but we wanted to show you guys what we did do to it. So maybe if you're thinking about building something, your zombie apocalypse vehicle, or maybe you're just coronavirus escape vehicle, this could be it. So in the front of this, what we did is we ran our 2-inch leveling spacers up front, and then we did our Fox shock in the front of this thing to give it a little bit more height. You can see it's running a really set of beefy tires. These tires are a 245, 75, 16. So bigger tire just on your stock wheels, so that's pretty cool. Something a little bit less expensive. You know, if you don't want to add that additional cost of wheels in there, you do have the option of running a bigger tire on there, and that's pretty nice because typically on these we're seeing like a 225, 70, 16 tire. So we have gone to a little bit bigger tire. We didn't do it, they did it. And then in the back of this thing, to get the height out of the back of this, we added a set of custom springs to the back of that, and you poke your head in there. And let me tell you, if you're ever going to go ahead and do one of these, be prepared, because this was a chore to get these springs in there. We also added a set of Fox shocks to the back of this in order to control the ride, and as Austin gets back and gets an overall pan of this thing is really cool. And what's cool about it is you can see still they're just ready for fun back here, is they've got both their dirt bikes, his and her dirt bike, on the back of this thing. These guys are just out cruising around. I want to say they're from Oregon. I don't even know where Nevada. So it says they're from Nevada, just out cruising, enjoying what California has a lot of, and that's a lot of great places to go riding. So this is going to be a quick video just kind of showing you guys different options out there is when you're thinking about maybe your future build out. It doesn't necessarily have to be a van. It could also be a box van like this, or a U-Haul van. Lots of different options out there, but just know, no matter what it is, if you're on the Chevy platform or the Ford platform, we have a lot of components that will meet your needs and that we can do in order to help you guys out, get you what you want, and also help get that more ground clearance to run the bigger tires. So a lot of information there, and if you guys have questions, please post them down below. I will be happy to answer them as fast as I can. We try to answer every question that you guys post on our channel. Once again, guys, thank you very much. Stay safe, and I will see you guys next time.